Hello everyone! Welcome back to Farming with Kels. As you can see here today, it's not exactly a farm typical video like I have been posting on this channel. We're dealing with some tree and stump removal today. So we are on my dad's land, farm field here. I don't know if you can tell, but Dad recently took down a tree line, which these guys are totally capable of doing. We're just having them clean it up for us. And as you can see here, this is a massive wood chipper. And let me tell you what, I'm having a blast out here just standing here watching this. I haven't seen this before, so it's super cool. So it's me and my dad standing here, and we are watching Jeremy Sherping, owner at Sherping Tree and Stump Removal. Just in case anybody's wondering who this is out here, I did want to mention their name. They're an exceptional crew. He does an excellent job at this, and it's just crazy to watch. Like, it's super cool. So anyways, yeah, if anybody's looking for tree or stump removal, this is your guy. Keep on watching to hear some pretty cool machine specs later on in this video. Just in case anybody's wondering why Dad got rid of this tree line, or why farmers in general don't like tree lines, I'll just give you a brief explanation here. Because yeah, tree and stump removal can be done for several reasons, but of course today, and for our reason, it is farm related. Trees, why I guess do we want trees gone in farmland? You know, trees are beautiful, except for along farm fields that keep growing into your crop and making, you know, the branches that are leaning in and just the growth of a lot of trees. It does major damage to yield potential, and it does damage to the equipment. Fallen twigs that are even half this size going in the combine, swerving around them, you know, planting around. It's just a constant battle of tree lines. So people who farm get it, but there's just a quick little explanation about it. But anyways, so obviously we don't want all this laying around in the field, right? I mean, planting season is not that far away. So this awesome machine is gonna get rid of all of this very quickly for us, and it's just amazing. This is so fun to watch though, seriously. So fun to watch, because I personally have never seen anything like it, so it's like extra awesome for me. But I'm sure other people have, or maybe you haven't.
You always want to feed them in the tree first.
This wood chipper has 440 horsepower. Should I say it again? 440 horsepower. Like, this engine is amazing to watch. Look at it. Like, how? What? And with that, the capability, this machine can take trees and logs up to 38 inches in diameter. Wow. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. There's right on the edge there? Yeah. Oh wow. So I did ask Jeremy about the wood chips. So obviously you're seeing it go into the truck, right? So I'm like, well, what happened? Like, what's the use for the wood chips? So all of the wood chips, they take home and get reground through a horizontal grinder and sold for mulch, compost, or animal bedding. Don't mind me here, I'm just going where it's warm. Inside this little cab here. It's a little cold out today. This thing's pretty neat. Maybe I'll get to use it? Maybe? Probably not. Huh? Dad checking it out.
Easier than the skid loader, got the booms here.
Right. So here's just a glance at what was a tree line. Y'all, this machine weighs 32,700 pounds. And it's capable of chipping 120 yards of material in 30 minutes. What? Had to film him using the saw too. Look at that. Sweet. It's a new day, and now Dad and I are going to do the remainder of the cleanup. So Dad's got his skid loader there with the grapple bucket. He's filling the wagon up that I will be taking to create a small-ish pile. Little pile of brush. And all these little piles to clean up. They wood chipped the majority of it. Got the 5250 Maxim tractor here. So we farm both sides of this field, but there is a ditch here. But now the tree line is, well, clearly gone. Going to be backing up to the pile and then unloading it. Get right up to the pile, and then right about here I'm going to be unloading it. Going ahead as it's going down. Takes a long time for it to get completely down, but I'm gonna head back to where Dad is so he can fill me up again. That right there is called a grapple bucket. That's how we do it. Pushing the pile, making it bigger, because I keep inching it out too much. We're getting closer to the pile, so Dad's just taking them himself there. dark out here, but we're almost done. We created 2 little piles, both sides of the ditch. Time to head back to the farm. Thanks for watching, everybody, and please subscribe.